Hello everyone. Let us solve the following. A metallic sphere of radius 4.2 centimeters is melted and recasted into the shape of a cylinder of radius 6 centimeters. Find the height of the cylinder. Here we have recasted the shape of a sphere into a cylinder where the radius of the sphere is 4.2 centimeters and the radius of the cylinder is 6 centimeters. We need to find the height of the cylinder, right? Yes. So here the sphere having the radius of 4.2 centimeters is converted into the shape of a cylinder having the radius of 6 centimeters. We need to find the height of the cylinder. Okay, right. So here we can note one point here. What is that? When we convert a shape from one shape to the other, there will be no change in their volume. Okay, volume is not at all changed, right? So here we can write volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder. Okay, of course the radius are different. Okay, the sphere is having the radius of 4.2 centimeters and the cylinder is having the radius of 6 centimeters. Okay, right. Now, how can we find the volume of the sphere? We know the formula. Volume of the sphere is equal to 4 pi 3 pi r cube. Okay. And the volume of the cylinder is given by pi r square h, where r is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. We need to find the height of the cylinder only. Okay. Right. Now we are equating both of them. Okay, but here what do we know? The radius of the cylinder and the radius of the sphere are different. Okay, the sphere is having the radius of 4.2 centimeters, whereas the cylinder has the radius of 6 centimeters. Okay, so let r1 be the radius of the sphere and r2 be the radius of the cylinder. So we know that the volume of the sphere is equal to the volume of the cylinder. So we are equating both of them. Okay, 4 by 3 pi r1 cube is equal to pi r2 square h, where r1 is the radius of the sphere and r2 is the radius of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. Okay, we need to find the height only, right? So height is equal to, for further simplification, height h is equal to 4 by 3 pi r1 cube by pi r2 square. Okay, right. Now pi and pi gets cancelled and r1 is 4.2 centimeters and r2 is 6 centimeters. It is given in the problem, so we are substituting all these values. Okay, so pi gets cancelled, it's the 3 comes in the denominator, so we can substitute the values here. 4 into 4.2 into 4.2 into 4.2, that means r1 cube by 3 into 6 into 6, that is r2 square. So after simplification, h is equal to 2.744 centimeters. Okay, so it is nothing but the height of the cylinder. The height of the cylinder so formed. How does it form? We have recasted it from a sphere. The sphere is having the radius of 4.2 centimeters. Okay, but when it is recasted, the cylinder has the radius of 6 centimeters and the height of 2.744 centimeters. Okay, so height of the cylinder we need to find. Yes, it is nothing but 2.744 centimeters. Okay, I hope you understood, right? Thank you. If you understand, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.